You can add a textual context bridge to explain the context of any element. Click the Context Bridge button on any empty container. The Context Bridge Creation panel opens. Click Textual. Write a title for the first slide. Add the body text. You can format the text using the formatting tools. You can add more slides by clicking Add Slide. Add the text for the next slide. Click Preview to view the resulting slideshow. Scroll through the slides using the arrow icons. If you wish to discard, simply click the cross. Click Save to save the slideshow. Name the file. Add a description. Click Save.